In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then select Open under Google. Choose Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords you wish to edit. Enter your login method. Hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!